Hey guys, happy Thursday. It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this is going to be another three-part series of videos. This radio is out of a 69 Cadillac DeVille Continental, looks like. Let's just say Cadillac DeVille, since Continental's, I think it's a Lincoln. So we'll just say Cadillac DeVille. I'm not an expert on cars, that's for sure. But Kevin lives in Houston, Texas, and he's requested my full Delco sys conversion, which means converting the radio and also converting the 8-track to work with the radio. In the past, I've done a single video for the entire system, and then I thought, well, right now I'm chasing that 1,000 mark. I'm at 906 videos right now, and I'm chasing that 1,000 mark. And so I thought, well, I have to, working on converting the radio is a separate task, converting the 8-track is a separate task, and also getting them to play nice together is a separate task. One thing I found. So I am actually justified in making 3 separate videos. So this is just the radio portion, and Kevin has requested modern internal conversion to increase the output power. Also, he's requested the USB and Bluetooth functions, and my super cool little master input-output box that has all 4 of your preamp outs, subwoofer output, and aux input. So let me just make sure I've got the right jacks on the radio. Yeah, because the 8-track takes up the aux input, so I install an additional aux input so the customer can still use a portable audio device. And it is important that the aux is connected to the box and not to the radio. That the radio is for the tape deck to plug into when that time comes. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
Interested in transparency.
So there's our AM radio, and while we're on talk radio, I'm going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. The fader, if it had a fader, they've got a really high failure rate, so I never ever reuse the fader, because we can do our front rear fade operation using the tone control now after conversion. So let's demonstrate that right now. I'm going to rotate the tone control to about the center position, and I want to give it 2 turns to the right to activate the virtual fader.
I mean, we believe in the freedom of speech.
Fader adjust.
Okay, now we're going to need these. And now this same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance all the way rear, all the way front.
That when I asked him about Schumer's reaction on this, he said, it's interesting that
fader is set. Okay, let's do the left-right balance.
We should read the Constitution to get
balance adjust.
Okay.
And then we
same control all the way left, all the way right, left,
thing that we talked about with the speaker,
right,
which was really interesting, was also media being all upset about Tucker getting the first
balance
adjust. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Tons of exclusive.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you heard that? I don't know why I always get horny when the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Okay, the USB feature. We don't need the meters anymore. Let's make sure the USB plays my radio commercial off of a stick.
I was disturbed that it was just going to...
Okay, pull the stick, radio comes back. Okay, now let's go to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area.
Go viral.
Say something.
The Yavapai County Food Bank brings hope to those less fortunate by providing...
Okay, so that completes a test of the radio. We got the AM working, FM's working, Bluetooth and USB are working. There was no dial light included with this radio, so I just left that orange wire available for the owner to, if he's got the dial, then he can connect it. It just connects to this orange wire back here. So that concludes the test of the radio, and the 8-track will be next. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and the 8-track will be coming next.